Welcome everybody. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. Today you're going to learn how to set up your live trading account on Hugosway.com. So I'm going to get right to it. No time to waste. This is going to be a super quick video to show you step by step how you're going to do it. So you go to Hugosway.com. You're going to fill out this basic information right here below. Once you do that, it's going to send you like an email confirmation. You confirm it through your email, and now the next page is going to look just like this, okay? The next thing that you want to do is going to click on KYC verification. You're going to send a PDF document of your state ID or driver's license and a utility bill that has your address, your current address on it. So that is very, very important. It might take some time. If you need help, click on the bottom right here, and you can actually ask for help with support. And they're very, very helpful. They get back to you really, really fast. So you want to send those PDF documents. It gets approved in about 30 minutes to an hour. Then once you get approved, you're going to go to My Accounts. You're going to click Create Account. You now click Hugosway MT4 ECN, US dollar, because I'm currently in the United States. And now you're going to select your leverage to 500, which allows you to trade huge lot sizes on a smaller size account, okay? Now you wanna always use proper risk management, of course. You click create account. Now your account was created. So I go to my accounts, right? Now it's gonna open up the new account. I'm gonna now go to deposit funds, okay? I go to deposit funds and I select my wallet, which is a US dollar wallet. I click on Bitcoin because this is how you fund a trading account. I use Bitcoin because it's the easiest way to do it, and I do it through Cash App. So I go to Cash App, all right, I click on Cash App, and what I did is I clicked on the squiggly line on the bottom right, and I actually bought $105 worth of Bitcoin. And how did I do it? I click buy, I click on the dollar sign, and I clicked 105, and I bought it, okay? Now it came out to 103.55 because of the Bitcoin US dollar conversion rate. I go to home, I click on Bitcoin, and you need to get your deposits and withdrawals enabled ASAP. So for me, it's already enabled. And the way to do that is you fill out like very basic info. You send a picture of your driver's license, the front and back of it, and it takes about a day to get approved. Once you get approved, now you can click these buttons. I'm going to click on withdraw Bitcoin. I'm going to scan it all the way to the right. And what is going to come up is a camera. So all I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you hands-on how I'm about to fund my live account, okay? So I type in the amount that I want, which is 103.65, okay? 103.65. I click redirect me to payments page, and now it has that QR code. So the QR code is on my screen, and all I'm going to do is I scan my phone to it, and now I can confirm it. I confirm it on my phone. I put my Cash App PIN, and it says you initiated a withdrawal of the amount of Bitcoin that you bought, okay? I'm going to leave this open, okay, because I don't want to mess it up. So I'm going to leave this open, and I wait about 10 to 15 minutes, and then the money is going to be on the top left here, okay? I want you guys to fast forward into the future. On the top left, it's going to show the amount of money that you sent, right? Now, there's also like a little rate that Hugosway takes as well. Do not stress about it because there is a lot of money to be made in these markets. So do not stress about the amount of money that they take because of, the transaction, okay? So now you're going to go to internal transfer. I want you to pretend that the money is on the top left. I click wallet to MT4. I select US dollar, right? Because on the top left, it's going to say the amount of money that I funded. And then I select the new account, right? I select on the new account. I type in the exact number, which is probably going to be around $100. And then I click request transfer. Now, this is a very, very important thing. On your phone, go to your email. The email is going to be from Hugosway, and it's going to say MetaTrader 4 account created. When you click on that email, scroll all the way to the very bottom, and it's going to give you your account and your password. You see right here, the email says new MetaTrader 4 account created, and now it's going to give me my account number and my trader password. So you're gonna copy those numbers. You're gonna go to MetaTrader 4. You're gonna go to settings, new account, log into existing account, Hugosway Real, and all I do is I copy and paste the account and the password, and now I click sign in, and your money will be there. I promise you, your money will be there. So this is very important. Once you do the internal transfer, you're gonna get that email, plug in the information, and you're gonna be good to go. This is how you fund a live trading account. And if you need any help, contact your mentor and they will help you. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching this video. This is gonna help you start your live Hugosway Forex trading account.
Seen a vision in a boy, then we committed.